Okay, just gonna do a quick recap of my weekly trades. I'll take a look at my trades on BITO first. I was in a trade Monday the 14th. BITO is an ETF that follows Bitcoin. It recently broke out of this trend line. I've been watching for it to pop up. Came out here and retested that line, and once it popped back up, I got in. So I got on October 14th, rode it up to here and sold off. It popped back up and I got back in, and it came down and hit my stop loss. I got back in on Thursday. This looks like a good level of support. Unless it drops back below 1872, I'll stay in the trade. So just to review, Bitcoin was trading in a cup and handle pattern, which is a very bullish pattern. Here's the cup, here's the handle. Been buying during this consolidation phase here, and as soon as it popped up above this line, I started placing long trades. Bitcoin has projections going well over 100,000. It's just a matter of when. And there seem to be a lot more people getting involved in cryptocurrency. You have the election coming up with Trump saying that he's going to make the United States the crypto capital of the world. Everyone in the crypto community is very bullish on Bitcoin, so it's just a matter of when it's going to pop up. So I've been trading option contracts to leverage my position. My current position is a $21 call on BITO. Expires on November 22nd, so that gives me plenty of time for it to move upward. Break-even price is $21.42. So if we look at the chart, I need to make it up to $21.42 to break even. Anything above that is pure profit. If it pops up before the expiration date, then I could take a profit early. Another trade from this week was Coles. I've been waiting for that to pop out of this downward trend line. Popped out here, retested the level, popped up again. I said that I would get into a long trade if it came above the previous high. Instead, it made a double top here, so I shorted it by buying a put contract. I got in here at $20.30 and got out when it dropped down to $20, I believe. And then it continued to drop, so I got back in on Wednesday here, 1981, and wrote it down till it got down to 1937 and got out in the same day with, I think it was a 40% profit. And then we have my Lithium America company trade, expires in February of 25. This was a leap option that I got into, super cheap, that someone actually recommended I get into. If you look at the weekly chart, we were trying to get in on the bottom and got in right about here. We had another dip down, verified some support here, and it's been rallying ever since then. Really took off the past week, and as you can see, I'm up 133% from what I put into it. I only bought 2 contracts. Like I said, it was super cheap. I paid $15 and I've made 40. Kind of wish I would have bought some more contracts, but it's still a win. As far as the BITO trades, I've been trading calls to leverage my position, but at the same time also buying Bitcoin for long term, just because the US is in trillions of dollars of debt and they keep printing money and inflation's out of control, so probably not a bad idea to have your money spread out in different areas. And then in the community, Facebook community, school community, I've just got some beginner walkthroughs for anyone that's interested in learning how to trade, and walk through the basics of technical analysis, start paper trading with no risk, and then once you get good at that, you can start trading live. Be uploading a video this week on reversal patterns. Feel free to join and ask me any questions.